So I think this part here is okay lah. I just want to quickly mention that you can use your calculator to check your answer. So another thing is this. Just you know that just remember I mentioned this in class before. You must understand that your calculator can also find square root of a complex number. All students don't know that. You see? That's why this is important. So you have to know that the reason why they say without using calculator, right, is because a lot of times you can actually check your answer in a like this one. Do you know that your calculator can... Okay, a lot of students do not know. Please, no, please. So before I even start, right, this question is simple, right? But I can tell you that a lot of students do not know can use calculator to check answer. You see, this question here, right, you can actually find the answer for this one already because you just plus minus a plus 6i, then z equals to minus I plus minus this. You use your GC and check answer. They will usually say without using GC. So use GC, check answer first. Bro, please do this. Please don't. Because if you don't press it, right, the rest of the cohort gonna do it. Okay? I'm pretty sure not many students know this. So if you have this, you already like a bit already. So this one just plus square root. Then you have a minus 8. I just know that the answer you're working towards is 1 plus 2i or minus 1 here. Oh, check, guys. What was wrong? Okay, here. I. This one here. Okay, so before I even start my journey in finding the answer, I just write down what I'm looking for. So minus 1 minus 4i. So this is your answer scheme. Very convenient. Work towards this, guy. Work towards this. I'm gonna just put this aside. Then I'm gonna work towards. I think the first one is pretty straightforward lah. You can also use your calculator to check. 3 square minus 2. Okay, so this will be 9. Okay, this one should be correct. So it's 3 minus I square 8 minus 6i. Okay. What does the first part tell you? Conjugate. Wait, also not bad. Yeah, not wrong. Oh, yes. Oh, actually, that's true. I get it. Okay, can. You can actually do this. Is it conjugate? No, man. Bro, it's not. You cheat my feeling. Is this? You know that 3 minus I now is actually plus minus square root of 8 minus 6i. Am I right? Okay, open square root lah. So if you, but I think you need to reject 1. So we just check first. 8 minus 6i. It's 3 minus I. Then if I put a negative in front, of course it's not right? So it's a positive one. Actually, I'll just leave this as it is first. So you need to reject 1. I repeat. So this one is important. Okay, anyway, this one from the first part, right? So method 1 is probably what you prefer. I'll do method 2 later, which is I think better in that sense. So z plus I square equals to minus 8 plus 6i. Like you already noticed that you need to bring the negative out lah. So minus 6i here. Okay. So this case here, z plus I square. So z plus I is just plus minus 8 minus 6i. Then you just z is equal to minus I plus minus square root 1. Oh, it's a plus minus. Okay, 8 minus 6i. So root 8 minus 6i doesn't matter because we can actually find root minus 6i. Either this or this, right? Either this or this, we'll get with 3 minus I from the first part. So this will be minus I plus minus I. Then from the first part is 3 minus I. The root of 3 minus 6i, so 3 minus I here. Once done, we just expand this. So it's not an issue of 3i. I square. There will be arcs, man. This 1 plus 2i. Is that the answer? Yes. Okay, check your answer. I go through method 2 with you. Method 2 will be this is what you do. Z plus I square. Okay, this is 3 minus I square equals to 8 6I. Okay, then what you do is multiply by -1. Actually, there are many ways to do it lah. And this will be 3 minus I square equals to -8 plus 6I minus, right? So in other words, this will be equals to this one. You see that? So, but before that, how do we arrange? Because now we compare this and this. Maybe I put this aside. Compare this versus this one. Maybe this one I don't think you may not use this method, but learn lah. Yes, as I say, it's always like knowing the perspective. This one? Okay. Then this one will be z plus I square equals to -3 minus I square. Then the negative is I square, right? So which one do you prefer? I don't know. Then you get method 1, method 2. Okay.